Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or how to use stolen device protection in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone and you want to turn on your stolen device protection, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, just scroll down and look for the general option. Very first, I recommend you how to try to just update your software. So go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any kind of pending software update. If you find just try to update your software, after updating software, just go back from here and here go to Face ID and Passcode. And here just select this option and here just try to enter your iPhone passcode and here just scroll down, look for the option of stolen device protection. Select that and enable the toggle to enable your stolen device protection. If you're facing this type error, the turning on stolen device protection requires Find My iPhone to be turned on. So very first, you just have to try to turn on your Find My. So just simply go back and here, just go to your Apple ID. Here, just scroll down and look for Find My option here. Select that. Select Find My iPhone. Then enable the toggle to enable Find My iPhone. After that, simply go back and go to Face ID and Passcode option again. Enter your iPhone passcode. And here you just have to select stolen device protection and enable this toggle to enable your stolen device protection. So in this way you can easily enable your stolen device protection on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.